Hello everyone, my name is Harley Monyak. I am a junior at the Lincoln Academy and a welcome intern at the Welty Center. My GLOW project is on changes in fall color across broadleaf tree species. When I first started this experiment, I had to do some background research. I found that due to the decrease of daily sunlight in the fall, the leaves change color, which could result in range of color amongst trees determined by pigment. Trees shed their leaves to retain their water and avoid frost damage. So this brought up the research question: what is the rate of color change in different tree species? With that being said, I started collecting data. Sites were surveyed 6 trees, October 18th to November 13th, 2023. We first determined the longitude and latitude, elevation, tree circumference, and color of 4 leaves by using globe green down protocols. I gathered data from 6 trees in Lower Big Hill Park. I used tree circumference to estimate the age of the trees. I used a plant guide to identify the trees of sugar maple, red oak, and buckthorn, and used the globe plant color guide. For each tree, I calculated the average of days before leaf fall by determining the number of days since January 1st, which is shown in Table 1. I collected the individual colors of the 4 leaves by using bare paint color matches for identification of colors, which is seen in Figure 1. Then I observed the difference between 1 to 4 leaf colors on the first observation day, October 18th, which is shown in the first picture of Figure 2, to the last day, November 13th, which is shown in the second picture of Figure 2. I found the average 19 days of sugar maple was higher than the average 9.5 days of buckthorn. The smaller the tree results, the less days before the leaves fall could be the strength the tree has. An example could be the baby red oak only had 1 leaf left after study. Wasn't an equal distribute of understory and overstory trees. By measuring the tree circumference, the sugar maple were tall enough to be overstory. The time limit was switching the project from Marigold to green down effects by days of research on the color change of leaves before leaf fall. Possible future research could be collecting color data throughout fall and comparing it to soil temperature. With that being said, I would like to thank the Natural Science Foundation for funding. I would like to thank the following for field support: Darien Becker at the Welty Center and Laura Benish at the Lincoln Academy. I would like to thank Evelyn and Theo for field assistance, and thanks for listening.